Welcome back to Autocar Reviews. Today we're talking about one of the most iconic supercars ever created, the Ferrari Testarossa, a car that didn't just define Ferrari in the 1980s but became a global symbol of speed, luxury, and bold Italian design. The Testarossa still turns heads decades later, and its presence on the road feels just as dramatic today as it did when it first launched. From the outside, the Ferrari Testarossa is instantly recognizable. Its wide, low stance makes it look planted and aggressive even when standing still. The most famous design feature has to be the dramatic side strakes, which are not only visually striking but also functional, helping channel air to the rear-mounted engine. The flat nose, pop-up headlights, and sharply angled lines reflect pure 1980s design philosophy, where cars were meant to look futuristic and daring. At the rear, the wide tail with horizontal vents and twin exhausts completes a look that is muscular, bold, and unmistakably Ferrari. The Testarossa was wider than most cars of its era, giving it a road presence that still feels special today. Performance is where the Testarossa truly earns its legendary status. Under the rear deck sits a naturally aspirated 4.9-liter flat 12 engine, producing around 390 horsepower. For its time, this was supercar-level performance, allowing the Testarossa to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just over 5 seconds. The top speed pushes close to 290 km per hour, which was incredibly impressive in the late 80s and early 90s. The engine delivers power smoothly, with a thrilling sound that builds as the revs rise, reminding you that this is a true Ferrari at heart. The gated manual gearbox adds to the driving experience, offering mechanical feedback that modern cars often lack. On the road, the Testarossa feels fast, stable, and confident, especially at higher speeds, where it truly comes alive. Inside, the Ferrari Testarossa keeps things simple but luxurious. The cabin is very driver-focused, with a low seating position and a wide center tunnel that emphasizes the car's mid-engine layout. Leather upholstery, classic Ferrari gauges, and a clean dashboard design give it an elegant yet sporty feel. While it may not have modern infotainment or digital screens, the interior has a timeless charm that many enthusiasts still love. Comfort is decent for a supercar of its era, making it usable for longer drives, not just short weekend runs. When it comes to pricing, the Ferrari Testarossa has become a highly desirable classic. Depending on condition, mileage, and originality, prices today can range from around $120,000 to well over $200,000, with pristine or rare examples commanding even more. For collectors, it's not just a car, it's an investment and a piece of automotive history. The Ferrari Testarossa remains a true icon, combining unforgettable design, thrilling performance, and classic Ferrari soul. If you enjoyed this review, stay tuned to Autocar Reviews for more legendary cars and modern machines that define the world of automobiles.